Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix sounds, notification sounds or ringing sound not working on iPhone, iPad. Guys, if you facing this issue, then keep watching this video until the end. First of all, subscribe my channel and like this video. Let's start it. Solution 1. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on accessibility. Click on face ID and attention. Turn off attention aware features. Solution 2. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on sounds and haptics. Turn on change with button. Drag the slider left to right, increase the volume. Solution 3. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on notifications. Scroll down to find app you want to turn on sound. Click on sounds and choose your sounds. If your iPhone or iPad has not ringing or silent, move the switch forward toward device display so that orange is not showing. On iPad device, you can also swipe up down from the top right hand corner. Solution 5. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Toggle off Bluetooth. Again click on turn off in pop-up window. Solution 6. Click on settings app. In setting page, scroll down, find app you want to turn on sound. Click on notification. Toggle on sounds. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on general. Transfer or reset iPhone. Reset. Reset all setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again click on reset all setting to confirm this process. Check your iPhone speaker opening if is not blocked or dirty on iPhone only. Make sure that your receiver is not blocked or dirty. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.